So here's my problem with the backhoe that I posted when I was moving it for snow plowing. When the battery light is on, nothing works. None of the wipers, lights, turn signals, flashers, the float. I think the float works. I don't remember. The only thing pretty much that works is the parking brake. It won't engage in four-wheel drive or anything. So, as you can tell, it doesn't work. What somebody had mentioned in the comments was the auxiliary relay switch was common for these to go out. So I ordered one. They actually gave me the part number. I didn't even take the time to open this up and look and see if that's the right one, but I trusted them. If not, I've lost 20 bucks. But let's take this out and see if that fixes it, because it's kind of aggravating. Kind of needing all that stuff. The heater doesn't work anything, so hopefully that's the problem. We'll find out here shortly. It doesn't look like it's too hard to replace. It looks like there's about 3 wires that go to it. It was a $20 part with free shipping, so if it doesn't work, I didn't lose much. But I'm grateful that people make suggestions like that, because I would have never thought to look at that. I thought it was the key switch. It didn't make sense that it was the key switch, but hell, I didn't know. They said it's behind this panel. We'll just look and see what's back here. There's a bunch of stuff back here. Let's see if I can get it. Oh my, I think I see it right there. If I can only get this out to hold this. Well, that looks like it. I need to get the tools to take that off. Probably be best if I go ahead and, yeah, that looks like it. Let me go ahead and undo it right here. That way maybe I can pull that out of there. Okay. I'm gonna cut the camera off. I'm gonna take a picture to make sure I know where everything goes. It looks pretty simple. I'll take these and keep these separate. And okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the 2 screws that were holding it in out, and I've loosened up this little one right here. I got those 2 where they won't go anywhere right there. So I'm gonna take this out real quick. Not lose that little lock washer. I'm gonna put those right there. And we're gonna put that wire right there. I think it was a half. It is. I should probably go ahead and just put that back on here on the new one, so I don't lose track of where everything goes. Be smart, wouldn't it, to do that right? Yeah. Hope this works. I guess I could go get a little socket. That works though. I'll let that hang right there. Grab this this one. Washer. How many wires we got on this one? 2. Take that one off. Let's go ahead and put it on this one. That's up, so it would go right there. Like so. Why didn't that? I should probably use the I think they gave me new bolts. That one didn't seem like it wanted a thread on there. It might be a different thread, I don't know. Oh. Well, that freaking come from China. I bet it's not a 1/2 inch either. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's take these off now. Rattles. I don't know if that's good or bad. I guess I can technically cut the key on once I get this put back together and see if it works or not. Because other than just bolting it back into the dash right here, everything's hooked up. No, it's not. Those grounds. I'll just go ahead and put it back in place. I don't know. I guess those are grounds. Frankly, I don't know what the hell those wires are right there. But they come. This is going to be a little fun. Alright, let's see if we can get some fingers to allow these wires to. Oh, come on. This is why I don't like working on stuff. I don't have patience for little stuff. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. At least I got enough wires on the wiring harness here to allow me to pull this dash out far enough. I can't spin that. I can't, I don't have enough room for my fingers to, I think that started. Oh, come on. Ain't got enough resistance on it right now. Kind of a stupid design here. I better make sure I can get that other bolt in there first before I get too heavy-handed here. Ooh. About need a deep well. I took it off though. Why is that popping? Alrighty. Let's see, how the hell did this go back in here? Well, the fan works. Wipers. Four-wheel drive. We got a horn. Got a horn. Lights. Would you look at that? I'm excited. Oh shit. Why did it quit? Why? Why do I have power now? Maybe it is the key switch. That doesn't make sense. It didn't work and now it does work. Now I don't have any. Huh. I don't know. That's strange because, well, it didn't work before. Maybe it just, I don't know. Seems like that wasn't the cure. It is working though. Oh well, I guess time will tell. Let me put these screws back in the dash. That's strange though. It worked and then it didn't work for a second, so I don't know. Oh, that didn't start. Let me get another one. Little stuff like this aggravates the hell out of me. I think it got it fixed, and then when I go to use it, it won't work. Why ain't that damn screw in there? What's wrong here? It's in there. Something is wrong. Little aggravating stuff. All right, I gotta take that.